Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Buyers bear a smaller incidence of the tax when demand is perfectly inelastic. The statutory burden of the tax is on the seller's supply is more elastic than demand. The tax is higher. The demand is higher. Demand is more elastic than supply. The answer of the question is let's break each down and let's break down each statement regarding the incidence of a tax based on the elasticity of demand and supply. 1. Buyers bear a smaller incidence of the tax when demand is perfectly inelastic. True. When demand is perfectly inelastic, it means that consumers are not very responsive to price changes. In this case, even if the price increases due to the tax, consumers will continue to buy the same quantity. Therefore, the burden of the tax falls more on the sellers because they cannot pass on the tax burden to consumers by reducing quantity demanding. 2. The statutory burden of the tax is on the sellers. 2. The statutory burden of the tax refers to who legally owes the tax to the government. Sellers are responsible for remitting the tax to the government, but whether they bear the economic burden of the tax depends on the elasticities of supply and demand. Supply is more elastic than demand. Buyers bear a larger incidence of the tax. When supply is more elastic than demand, suppliers can adjust their quantities supplied more easily in response to price changes. In this case, if a tax is imposed, suppliers can pass on more of the burden to consumers by increasing prices less than they would if supply were less elastic. Hence, consumers bear a larger incidence of the tax. 4. The tax is higher. Buyers bear a larger incidence of the tax. When the tax rate is higher, it generally means that the price increase due to the tax will be more significant. If demand is more elastic than supply, consumers can adjust their consumption of more in response to the higher price, leading to a larger burden on consumers. Demand is more elastic than supply. Buyers bear a larger incidence of the tax. When demand is more elastic than supply, consumers are more sensitive to price changes. If a tax is imposed, consumers can reduce their quantity demanded more in response to price increase caused by the tax. Therefore, a greater portion of the tax burden falls on the consumers in this scenario. In summary, the incidence of a tax depends on the elasticities of supply and demand. When demand is inelastic, whether perfectly or relatively, consumers bear less of the tax burden. When supply is more elastic than demand, consumers generally bear more of the tax burden. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.